Welcome to Global Fact Trends. Today, we embark on a journey that delves deep into the very essence of our existence. The very air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food that sustains us, all intricately linked to the natural world. These elements are not just resources, they are the lifeblood of our planet. Imagine a world where the food we consume is grown in harmony with nature, where every bite we take supports a sustainable future. The way we grow our food is more critical than ever, as it could determine the future of our planet. Did you know that the way we grow our food could determine the future of our planet? Sustainable farming practices are not just about producing food. They are about nurturing the earth, preserving biodiversity, and ensuring that future generations can thrive. Sustainable farming is more than just a buzzword. It's a lifeline for our environment and the billions of people who depend on it. By adopting eco-friendly methods, we can reduce our carbon footprint, conserve water, and promote soil health. In this exploration, we journey to the heart of sustainable agriculture, examining 7 farming methods revolutionizing the way we feed our world. From permaculture to agro forestry, each method offers unique benefits and challenges. Before we embark, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to join us on future expeditions. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful and inspiring content. Now, let's begin our exploration. Together, we will uncover the secrets of sustainable farming and discover how we can all contribute to a healthier, more sustainable world. Imagine a world where sprawling fields are no longer a prerequisite for agriculture. This is the promise of vertical farming. Picture towering structures bathed in the glow of LED lights, where crops ascend vertically, layer upon layer. This innovative approach uses a fraction of the land required by traditional farming, reclaiming valuable space for nature. By precisely controlling the growing environment, these urban oases can produce crops year-round, unconstrained by seasons or weather. With water recirculated and reused, vertical farming requires up to 90% less water than traditional methods. As our global population grows, vertical farming offers a way to feed our cities while minimizing our impact on the planet. Our journey into sustainable farming takes us to the heartland, where a quiet revolution is underway. Farmers are embracing regenerative agriculture, a holistic approach that seeks to heal and revitalize the land. Imagine fields teeming with life, not just crops, but a rich tapestry of companion plants, beneficial insects, and microorganisms. Practices like cover cropping protect and nourish the soil, preventing erosion and replenishing nutrients. Composting transforms organic waste into rich fertilizer, reducing reliance on synthetic inputs. By incorporating livestock through rotational grazing, farmers mimic natural grazing patterns, enhancing soil health. Regenerative agriculture sequesters carbon in the soil, acting as a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. Our exploration leads us to permaculture, a philosophy as much as a practice. Derived from permanent and agriculture, permaculture seeks to create systems that are productive and harmonious with nature. Imagine a permaculture farm where the lines between cultivated land and wild spaces blur. Fruit trees offer shade to a diverse understory of vegetables, herbs, and flowers, all chosen for their beneficial relationships. Companion planting takes advantage of natural synergies between plant species. Water is carefully harvested and channeled through the system, mimicking natural water cycles. Permaculture farms are self-sustaining, requiring minimal external inputs once established. Our journey takes us beneath the surface to the foundation of agriculture, the soil. This vital resource is more than just dirt. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that supports plant life and, by extension, all life on Earth. Healthy soil is teeming with microorganisms, organic matter, and nutrients that are essential for robust crop growth. For generations, farmers have tilled the land, but this practice comes at a cost. Tilling, which involves turning over the top layer of soil, has been the traditional method to prepare fields for planting. However, this age-old practice can be detrimental to the soil's health and structure. Tilling disrupts the soil structure, exposing it to erosion and releasing carbon into the atmosphere. The exposed soil is more susceptible to being washed or blown away, leading to the loss of valuable topsoil. This not only depletes the land of its nutrients, but also contributes to environmental issues like dust storms and increased carbon emissions. No-till farming offers a radical alternative, farming in harmony with the soil. This method involves minimal disturbance to the soil, allowing it to maintain its natural structure and fertility. By adopting no-till practices, farmers can create a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system. Imagine fields where the soil remains undisturbed year after year. This undisturbed soil becomes a haven for beneficial organisms and retains moisture more effectively, leading to healthier crops and reduced need for irrigation. Crop residues are left on the surface, acting as protective mulch. This layer of organic material helps to shield the soil from harsh weather conditions, reduces evaporation, and adds nutrients back into the soil as it decomposes. Seeding is done directly into the undisturbed soil, using specialized equipment. These no-till planters are designed to cut through the crop residue and place seeds at the optimal depth, ensuring good seed-to-soil contact and promoting even germination. By reducing erosion, no-till farming protects our precious topsoil. This top layer is where most of the soil's nutrients and organic matter are concentrated, making it crucial for plant growth and soil health. By keeping carbon locked in the soil, it mitigates climate change. The undisturbed soil acts as a carbon sink, capturing and storing carbon that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere, thus playing a significant role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Farmers report increased yields, reduced input costs, and improved soil health. The benefits of no-till farming extend beyond the environment, offering economic advantages to farmers by lowering the need for fertilizers, pesticides, and labor, while also enhancing the resilience and productivity of their fields. Our exploration leads us to drip irrigation, a technology as simple as it is ingenious. In a world where water scarcity is a growing concern, drip irrigation offers a lifeline. Imagine water delivered with pinpoint accuracy directly to the roots of plants. Thin tubes deliver water drop by drop, minimizing evaporation and ensuring every drop reaches its destination. By reducing water consumption by up to 60%, it conserves precious resources. This precise delivery reduces weed growth and promotes healthy root development. Drip irrigation is transforming agriculture, empowering farmers to grow food sustainably. Our journey takes us to Agro Forestry, where trees and crops coexist in harmony. Imagine a landscape where towering shade trees provide respite from the sun, stabilizing the soil. Below, a diverse array of crops thrives, benefiting from the improved microclimate. Trees and crops create a synergistic relationship, benefiting both. Trees provide shade, reducing water evaporation, and creating a temperate microclimate. Their deep roots improve water infiltration and reduce runoff. Fallen leaves and branches decompose, adding organic matter to the soil. Crops benefit from improved soil fertility and reduced pest pressure. Agroforestry systems range from simple alley cropping to complex multi-strata systems. In many parts of the world, agroforestry is a time-tested tradition. Our exploration concludes with crop rotation, an ancient practice that has stood the test of time. This method, rooted in the wisdom of our ancestors, is a cornerstone of sustainable farming. It involves growing different types of crops in the same area across a sequence of seasons. This simple yet effective technique has been used for centuries to maintain the health and productivity of the soil. This technique harnesses the power of nature to maintain soil fertility and control pests. By rotating crops, farmers can naturally replenish the nutrients in the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. This not only benefits the environment but also leads to healthier crops and better yields. Imagine a field as a dynamic tapestry of life, where different crops are grown in sequence. Each crop plays a unique role in the ecosystem, contributing to the overall health of the soil. For example, deep-rooted crops can help break up compacted soil, while shallow-rooted crops can prevent soil erosion. Different crops have different nutrient requirements and contribute various benefits to the soil. Some crops, like legumes, have the ability to fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil with this essential nutrient. Others, like root vegetables, can help aerate the soil and improve its structure. Legumes fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil. This natural process reduces the need for synthetic nitrogen fertilizers, which can be harmful to the environment. By incorporating legumes into their crop rotation, farmers can improve soil fertility in a sustainable way. By alternating legumes with other crops, farmers reduce reliance on synthetic fertilizers. This practice not only enhances soil health, but also promotes biodiversity. A diverse range of crops can attract beneficial insects and microorganisms, creating a more resilient farming system. Crop rotation helps control pests by breaking up their life cycles. Pests that thrive on a particular crop will struggle to survive when that crop is replaced by another. This natural form of pest control reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which can have negative impacts on the environment and human health. The beauty of crop rotation lies in its simplicity and elegance. It is a practice that works in harmony with nature, rather than against it. By understanding the needs of the land and the crops, farmers can create a sustainable and productive farming system. It requires no expensive inputs, just a deep understanding of the land. This knowledge, passed down through generations, is invaluable. It allows farmers to work with the natural rhythms of the earth, ensuring the long-term health and productivity of their fields. Crop rotation offers a powerful reminder that sometimes the oldest practices are the most effective. In a world where modern agriculture often relies on synthetic inputs and monocultures, crop rotation stands out as a beacon of sustainability. It is a testament to the enduring wisdom of traditional farming practices. As we conclude our exploration, one thing is clear: the future of our food system depends on living in harmony with nature. From crop rotation to vertical farming, these methods offer a glimpse into a future where agriculture regenerates the environment. Each method demonstrates that sustainable living is an achievable reality. By embracing these practices, we can nourish our population while protecting the planet. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on our next adventure into the fascinating world of how technology is transforming agriculture.